What do we got, Max? What is it? What is it? It's not a squirrel. It's supposed to be a squirrel. It's a black crow. What is it? Huh? What is it? Huh? What is it? Get it. Well, don't get it. I'm just trying to get you excited here. What is that? Huh? All right, we gotta let it go. That's not a squirrel. Can we let it go? Oh, he barked at you. Are you getting excited? What is that, Max? Curiosity killed the cat, but this is a dog. Ooh. You're going to get your nose peckered with a black crow. Alright, we're going to let him go, Max. We're going to let him go.